No Ohio government actions, legislative activities, enforcement actions, or public events are recorded specifically for March 11, 2026, in the available sources 4.8. The closest activities occurred on surrounding dates, with the most relevant prior event being Governor Mike DeWine's 2026 State of the State address on March 10, 2026, which outlined key priorities and accomplishments 13567. On March 10, 2026, Governor DeWine delivered his final State of the State address to a joint session of the Ohio General Assembly around noon, highlighting achievements in education, public safety, economic development, and health 13567. Key provisions and accomplishments mentioned included banning cell phones in all Ohio classrooms to improve teaching and learning, historic investments in maternal and child health that achieved the state's lowest infant mortality rate in 20 years, balancing the state budget, cutting taxes, and increasing the rainy day fund, making Ohio a top state for business over the past 7 years, providing mobile mental health services to every Ohio child within 1 hour of a crisis anywhere in the state, requiring childcare programs to meet standards or close, and mandating every school district to adopt a clear attendance policy starting that fall to identify at-risk students. 3. The address also referenced potential priorities like amending HB 5453 to advance special education funding and efforts to limit online casinos, following regrets over the 2021 sports betting law, though legislative support was uncertain. 1. Legislative committee meetings were scheduled for March 11, 2026, indicating planned activities, but no outcomes or details on actions taken that day. The Ohio Senate Government Oversight and Reform Committee met at 9:45 a.m., holding second hearings on SB No. 202 and SB No. 254, with proponent testimony from witnesses including Thomas Disario and Tim Williams of the Ohio Manufactured Homes Association. It also conducted first hearings on appointments to boards such as the Historical Boilers Licensing Board, Richard Eder, Homer Rufiner, Walter Wyant, Board of Building Standards, John Pavlis, A. Bailey Stanbury, Commission on Hispanic Latino Affairs, Jacqueline Rohaley, New African Immigrants Commission, Charity Rysak, Ademola Solaru, and Holocaust and Genocide Memorial and Education Commission, Rhonda Sheekley, Marta Wojcik. 4. The Ohio House Local Government Committee met at 9:00 a.m., duration to 11:52 a.m., holding hearings including an 8th hearing on HB No. 92, 4th on HB No. 361, 3rd on HB No. 653, and others, but no specific provisions, votes, or decisions are detailed. 8. Earlier in the month, on March 5, 2026, Governor DeWine signed Senate Bill 9 into law, aligning Ohio's tax code with recent federal changes to simplify tax filing for businesses and individuals by eliminating separate state-federal calculations. The law took effect immediately too. No enforcement actions, such as investigations, arrests, or regulatory measures by Ohio agencies, are documented for March 11, 2026. No public events involving Ohio officials or agencies are noted for that exact date. Sources lack comprehensive coverage for the full day of March 11, focusing primarily on scheduled meetings without reported results or other activities. 4.8.